Good morning, dear kids. Today I'm continuing your same topic, that is constructions. That is chapter number 11. In that we are taking problem number 4, which says construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and altitude is 4 centimeter. And then another triangle whose sides are 1.5 times the corresponding sides of isosceles triangle. So for that, first we will start making an isosceles triangle. Let's start. You have to first draw a line segment of 8 centimeter. So I have taken BC. This is of 8 centimeter. Now you have to draw perpendicular bisector of this BC. So let's draw perpendicular bisector which divides BC in two equal halves and at 90 degree. Can we name this point as D? Now, taking D as a center, you have to draw an arc with radius 4. Why radius 4? Because altitude is 4. So, I have marked this as 4. Perfect. Can I mark this point as A? Yes. Now, you have to join AB and AC. And this is your main required triangle. Got my point clear? Now, as usual with your BC, you have to make an acute angle. If you have seen my previous video, you will know that we always make an acute angle line or a ray with the base. Okay. Once you got that, you can name it as BX. Okay. Then you have to make, if you read the question again, you have to make another triangle which is 1.5 times the corresponding triangle. This isosceles triangle ABC, uska 1.5 times pada. So how we will go for 1.5 times? If I convert this into improper fraction, that will be 3:2. 3 upon 2, that will be 3:2. So what I will do is, I will mark any 3 points B1, B2 and B3 in such a way that they are equidistant. So I'll put it B1 here, then B2 and then B3, such that they are equidistant. Correct? Now I will join B2C. What I will do, join B2C and draw a line from B3 which is parallel to line B2C. So let me now join B2C first. So I have already joined B2C. Did you all join? Okay. Then I will draw a line from B3 which is parallel to B2C and it will intersect the BC extended. तो एक ऐसी लाइन जो B2C के पैरेलल हो B3 से और आपके BC को इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हो, you can name this as C dash. Got my point clear? Now you have to draw a line from C dash और AC को भी हम ऊपर की तरफ एक्सटेंड कर देंगे. I'll extend a bit here. Okay. You have to draw a line from C dash which is parallel to AC. तो C dash से एक parallel line हम लोग करेंगे AC के parallel. So it will go something like this. Okay, it will intersect to your A somewhere here. Got my point clear? Okay, so you got your A dash. You can put that point as A dash. Clear now? What we'll do now? You can join this to A dash. You can join this to B. Now your required triangle, the bigger triangle will be A dash, B and C dash. Whereas what was the previous triangle? It was ABC, this one. And now this triangle which you have made, it is 1.5 times the corresponding of isosceles triangle which was ABC. और अभी जो बना है A dash B C dash, ये आपका 1.5 times है. Getting my point? You can also check. You will get the value of A dash B. That is this. I will mark this. A dash B अगर आप check करेंगे, that will be 3/2 times of AB. Then you can check BC dash. आप अपना BC dash भी check कर सकते हो. This one. That will be 3.5 times 3/2 times of BC. And you can also check A dash C dash, this side of your triangle, with your AC. That also will be 3/2 times of your AC. Got my point clear? So we have our next problem number 5, which says you have to draw a triangle ABC with side BC 6 centimeter, AB 5 centimeter, and angle ABC 60. So first we'll construct our required triangle. So for that, first I am taking the base. I am making a base of 6 centimeter here. And AB is 5. I am naming it as BC. And ABC is 60 degree. So with your protractor, you can make it 60 degree. Or with your compass, you can make it 60 degree. Once you got 60 degree here, you can make a cut of 5 to get A, 5 centimeter. Now you can join your AC. So you will get a required triangle ABC. Now as usual, you have to draw an acute angle. BC की तरफ से आपको एक नीचे की तरफ एक acute angle बनाना है. Okay, I will read the problem also first. That आपके required triangle बनने के बाद you have to construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding triangle. 3/4, that means आपको यहाँ पे अगर मैं x डाल रही हूँ तो you have to make 4 equal parts. Yes my dear kids, once your triangle, required triangle is constructed, आपने नीचे की तरफ BX ray बनाई है which is acute angle with BC. अब आपको 4 equal parts में divide करना है. ठीक है? Why you are dividing with 4? Because 3/4. So 4 is the greatest number of 3 and 4. So you have to divide your BX in 4 equal parts. You can name it as B1, B2, B3, B4. Got my point clear? Yes. Now you have to join your last point B4 with your C. Clear? And now you have to draw a line through B3. Why B3 my dear kids? Because it is 3/4. तो 4 हिस्से किए, उसमें से थर्ड हिस्सों को आपको पॉइंट करना है. B3 के पॉइंट पे आपको वहाँ से एक पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है B4C से के. तो I will draw parallel line here. So this will be parallel to this. Clear? Okay, where it intersects your BC, you can name it as C dash. Now from C dash, you have to make a parallel line which is parallel to AC. So this line is parallel to AC. Getting my point clear? And you can name this point as A dash. So now the required triangle which is 3/4 of the original is this. A dash, B, C dash. And which was the original one? A, B, C. And this is your 3/4 of original. Got my point clear? Okay. Let's take with next. We have problem number 6 which says draw triangle ABC with BC as 7, angle B as 45, A as 105. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4/3 times the corresponding sides. Okay, let's start. Two angles are given to you. Angle B is given as 45. Angle A is given as 105. ठीक है, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से आप चाहें तो आप एंगल सी फाइंड कर सकते हैं, दैट विल बी 30 डिग्री. यस, नाउ हाउ यू विल मेक योर रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल? टेक अ बेस BC. So I have taken a base BC of 7 centimeter. Then angle B I have constructed 45. You know 90 का bisect कर देंगे तो you will get 45. Angle C 60 का bisect कर देंगे तो you will get 30. Once you got this, you can name the intersection point as A. Your required triangle is ABC. Now BC के नीचे तरफ आपको एक रे बनानी है. You can put the name BX. And now you have to locate 4 parts of it, because ratio 4/3 है और highest number के हम लोग parts बनाते हैं. So you can go for 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can name it as B1, B2, B3, B4. Now try to understand. Now you have to join what? Third part first. So 3, B3C आपको join करना है. You have to extend your BC line and B4 पे आपको एक parallel line बनानी है B3C से. Got my point clear? You have to extend your AB also. And then here if you want B4 से जो आपने parallel line बनाई है उधर आप नाम दे सकते हो C dash. From C dash you have to make a parallel line to AC. And where it intersects your extension of AB, you can name it as A dash. So my dear kids, you got your required triangle A dash, B and C dash. And your original was ABC. तो A dash B आपका 4/3 मतलब वो बड़ा हो जाएगा. 3/4 करते तो हम लोग वो छोटा ट्रायंगल होता. 4/3 आपका बराबर से आ गया. Got my point clear? Next we have problem number 7, which says you have to draw a right triangle in which the sides are of length 4 and 3. And then you have to construct another triangle whose sides are 5 3 times corresponding. मतलब बड़ा triangle. Original आपका छोटा रहेगा और जो आपका extended form ले रहे हो वो बड़ा रहेगा. ठीक है, let's start. You have to first draw required triangle. तो उसके लिए पहले हम लोग BC ले लेते हैं. BC I have taken 3 centimeter. And now you have to make 90 degree. Yes, because it's a right angle triangle. So you want to make 90 degree. You can make at B 90 degree. So I'll make 90 degree here. Okay. Once you make this as 90 degree, now take B as a center. You have to make an arc of 4 and mark this as A. Now you can join your AC. So your required triangle ABC is ready with you. As usual, go for BX down. Now check how many sections you will make in BX. You check your ratio. It is what? It is 5/3. So you have to make 5 divisions. Yes, you can name it as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. करेक्ट? यस. अब आपको क्या करना है? B3C को ज्वाइन कर देना है और BC को एक्सटेंड कर देना है. लास्ट पॉइंट B5 से इस तरीके की लाइन करनी है आपको BC की तरफ ताकि वो पैरेलल हो जाए B3C से. एंड यू कैन नेम द इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट एज C dash. Once you got that, you have to extend your AB also. Because from C dash you are going to make a parallel line to AB extension and you can name that as A dash. Now my dear kids, you can see that your new triangle, which is 5/3 times of original one, is this, जिसको मैं red mark कर रही हूँ. And which one is the original? I will mark black, ABC. सो ए बी सी आपका ओरिजिनल है, ए डैश बी सी डैश आपका न्यू ट्रायंगल है विच इज 5 times of the original triangle. Got my point clear? Okay, God bless.